everyone, it's me again, Laika, and for today's video, I will discuss to you what are the different dances of aerobics as well as their distinctive origin and their history. Aerobic is also referred to vigorous activities with the same intensity such as brisk walking, jogging, gardening, and etc. Aerobic dancing is any kind of dance that is put to music, including Zumba, belly dancing, jazzercise, ballroom, and masala bhangra. So let's start with the first kind of dance under the aerobics. It is called the Zumba. Of course, I know that you are very familiar with Zumba. Zumba is the first and most interesting kind of aerobic dance. It is a training for resistance, strength, and interval. It also good for burning calories because of its alternating rhythms from slow to fast routines. It is open for all people regardless of their age and their ability to dance. It tones your body and muscle, and the steps of Zumba is simple yet heart-pumping. Zumba was first discovered in 1998 by Alberto Beto Perez in Cali, Colombia. It happened that Perez forgot his music for his aerobic class and instead he have the cassette tapes for Latin dance music, which is the salsa and merengue, and dance with them instead. Later on, Perez discovered that it was called rumba size. It is when the Zumba was first originated. The next kind of dance under aerobic is the jazzercise. Actually, jazzercise and Zumba is almost the same. The only difference is jazzercise has a standard choreography that is passed on to the choreographers. And jazzercise helps us to train our cardio and our resistance. It is an effective workout and heart rate elevating. It helps us to achieve our fitness goal. It reduces the risk of heart rate disease and also it gives us energy. It also gives us a feel of working out while having fun. Jazzercise is a dance fitness franchise company founded by Judy Shepard Misset in 1969 in headquarters of Carlsbad in California, United States. Actually, jazzercise started its function in a small room outside of Chicago in 1969, and after 50 years, it has 8,500 studios already. The next dance is the ballroom. Ballroom may not be the most tinubos dance, but it has a lot of benefits. It is popular, but the thing is, you cannot do it alone. Ballroom tones our muscle and good for our bones. It is good for burning calories, and of course, it makes us confident. Ballroom comes from the Latin word ballare, which means to dance. It is first discovered by Jean-Baptiste Lully, who introduced minuet to be a way to dominate ballroom in 1650. The next thing we have is the ballroom dancing. Ballroom dancing is beautiful and exotic dance. It emerges from the Arabic countries, specifically from Egypt and Turkey. It is a solo dance that torso acculation is necessary. It helps you to feel and experience the spirit and also improve your fitness. It is good exercise for stomach level. Ballroom dancing is referred to raqs sharqi, which is internally Oriental dancing. It is the Arabic artistic and expressive dancing. Ballroom dancing first originated when Umayyad family sent a ballroom dancers to Spain from Lebanon to undergo training to be a singer and a dancer in a Middle Eastern style. It was happened on 11th century BC to 5th century BC. The last dance we have here is called masala bhangra. Masala bhangra is cool, fun, exciting, and have something that you make love it. It tunes our body and also helps us to keep a healthy lifestyle. Masala bhangra is a cultural dance of the state of India. It was originated from Punjab years ago. It was a lifestyle program and an Indian-based program of all ages who wants to be physically active and stay fit. Serena Jane, who was the founder of this dance, devoted her life to be a fitness instructor of this dance after losing her 47th father, who died due to massive cardiac arrest. Serena Jane is a 23 years fitness personality who successfully introduced the dance of the India or the Bhangra into the fitness world. This is the end of the video. Again, I am Laika Salcedo and thank you for watching.